Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Dustin from Stranger Things 3, so let's get started. To draw Dustin, we're going to first start by drawing his face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw bottom of a U. So I'm come right across, and I'm making this one a little bit wider. So nice wide bottom of a U. And go ahead and connect it. There, something like that. And then from there, let's draw his eyes, and let's come in this area, and I'm not making them brown, so I'm kind of just giving it a little slant. So I'll come about right here, and I'm just going to draw a slant down, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. It's so cute already. And I'm going to come right here. Hopefully you guys love my caricature of Dustin here. And right on this side right here, we're going to thicken it up. From there, let's go and draw his mouth. So I'm going to come in this area, and I'm going to basically draw, let's see here, a very widened out W. So let's come right here and towards the center, come up a little bit and back up. And right here, we're going to draw a curve that comes down on both sides. And right at the bottom, we're going to draw a curve, a very light curve. And then I felt he needed a nose. So right about here, I'm just going to draw a slight little curve. There. Hope you love this version of Dustin. And then let's come up and we're going to start to draw the curls around his head. So let's see. I'm going to start in the center. So about right here, I'm going to draw some curls. So I'm going to start about right here. And I'm just going to go right across and draw a bunch of random curls here and there. I'm just remembering to curve down as I go. So about right here, let's see. Go ahead and curl up. There's no right or wrong way. You just want to draw these curls going different directions. And maybe as we come down here, you can curl out. There. And then now let's draw his brow. So we're going to come about right here and just draw a curve. Comes down, you can thicken it up, and same thing over here. So then let's come in, you're just going to thicken this a little bit more so it doesn't look like he has the two eyes, two brows I mean. Okay, something like that. Now let's go ahead and we're going to finish off the rest of his hair. So some lines, and then before we finish the rest of his hair, let's come above these curls and we're going to draw a curve right on top. So come back down, right on top, and then we're going to curve it around. So this is going to be the beginning of his cap. And then let's go ahead and connect it. Just follow the bottom curve. And then let's come up right here on the edge. And we're going to go up. Draw the rest of his hat. So pretty high up. Let's come up right here. And let's find our center. So say about right here. That's going to be my highest point. And then I'm going to come back down. And then let's come to the top right here in the center. We're going to draw a little curve for the top of the cap. And for some details, draw two curves on the sides. And if you like, you can draw the whole logo of the Camp Nowhere as well in here. But to simplify it, I'm just going to let's see, I'm just going to write 85. So it's all up to you what you want to put up here. But I'm just going to simplify and put 85. Okay, so from there, now let's start and give him a little neck before we draw the rest of his hair. So right here in the center, right there, and then I'm going to come out with his shoulders, and I'm going to slant them down because I think Dustin has slanted shoulders. So they're pretty slanted, and you can start to curve it out for his shoulders. And then right here, let's add a curve for the collar of his shirt, and then another curve. And about right here, just give myself 2 points for where his armpits would be, and slight angle line down. Okay, so now we can go back and draw his hair. So it's all going to come and tuck in away about right here where his neck is. So it's come about right here where the cap is, and I'm just going to pop out a curl, and let's go and just go back and forth, and we're going to aim back to this part. So once again, just random curves going here and there, and just end it inside. So same thing over here. And wiggle it in. There. I hope you love how that turned out. And then, oh, maybe one more nose strand right there. And then now let's finish his outfit. So now that we have this part in, let's come and we're going to draw a curve. Comes out for his sleeve area. And let's bring this down a little bit more. But right there, I'm going to tuck it in. And let's go ahead and connect it. And let's draw a little belt for him right here. And connect. And then his shorts. So it's come out. And let's see. Center, say about right here. Draw an angle line, and then from this angle line in the center, let's draw 2 angle lines that come out of that, and we're going to finish off his shorts. And go ahead and connect. And so then now we can, let's go to draw his legs since we're here, and we're going to come about right here and angle it down. So we're getting thinner as we come down, so same thing over here. And let's bring it down, not too long. Say about right. I'm gonna add a sock right here, so by right there, add a curve. Add another curve right here for a shoe. And then let's start to draw a shoe. So I'm going to bring this down, pop this out, angle out, and connect. So same thing over here, about right here. And once again, add a curve for his shoe. Straighten this part out, and it's come out and connect. Okay, so now let's draw some details for the shoe. Let's come down to the bottom, give the sole, come up right here with a curve, and 2 lines. And just simplify 2 curves for laces. So same thing over here. There. And then for some details on his socks, just draw 2 bands. Okay, so now let's draw his sleeves so it doesn't look so weird. Let's come down. And his sleeves are pretty long, so kind of a little bit poofy. So go ahead and connect it right there. Add a little cuff. And let's come down with his arm. And it's going to be past this, so about right here. And draw a thumb. And let's follow that and start to draw his fingers. Angle and curve. And before I forget, I'm just going to add a little bracelet right here that he has. So just drawing a little curve right there. Okay, so let's draw the same thing over here. Just make sure we end about the same area for the cuff. Sleeves, cuff, and once again the arms. So about right there. Done. And fingers. So on this side he's wearing a watch, so I'm just going to use my Sharpie, give him a little band, and on the edge right here just thicken up a rectangle, and you can pop it out for his watch. Okay, so now to draw some details, let's come here with some crease lines for his shirt and his shorts. Let's draw a center line right there, and he has a little cuff right there and some pockets. So same thing on this side. And let's see here. For his belt, a circle in the center and 2 curves right there. And so now his shirt, it's once again, if you want to go into details and draw the logo, I'm just going to simplify it, and I'm going to start right here in the center with a rectangle. So I'll say about right here. So this is the computer monitor. Hopefully I can fit this all in. And then there's a base of a longer rectangle. And then there's a keyboard right here. Okay, and then there's an 85 once again. And then the word camp. So I'm going to start with my A and my M, just so I know it's in the center. Makes it easier for me to figure out where to start. There, camp, know where. So let's come to the bottom right here. K-N-O-W. Hope I can fit this in. H-E-R-E, yay. Okay, so and then you can draw some crease lines right here if you like for some details. So there, that's pretty much it for my version of Dustin from Stranger Things 3. I hope you love how it turned out and inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.